Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy. If it's your first time stopping by, thank you so much for joining this family. I really appreciate your support. Thank you guys so much. We are at Builders to buy a few things for painting, and then I just love this planting. They have quite a variety at Builders. Yes guys, we are here to get the fired aid cabinet paint, and then the sandpaper, just a few things to that we're going to use to paint our cabinet. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. On Friday guys, Toby C was assisting me in assembling these cabinets, and then we started with sending the support guys. Thank you so much. Please continue to help me grow the channel. I really appreciate it. As you have seen at the beginning of the video, we went to Builders to get a few things for this project. So this paint from Fire 8 is what we got. I saw the reviews as well. They were good. So I don't know how long it lasts though, but I saw that they were good. We bought this 3-in-1 acrylic primer, undercoat and top coat. It comes in 1 liter. It's quite expensive for me, I can say, because it's 330, just 1 liter, and I don't know how many liters are we going to buy. Yes, and the brush, I don't remember how much this brush was, but the guy who was helping us suggested that we get a smooth brush. It says smooth, semi-smooth surfaces, oil and water-based paints, indoor and outdoor. So we just got 1 brush, and then this paint will just start painting. I don't know if should stir this first. Love uzokuzungusangani mina la. What color is this? It's gray shade color. I don't know how far are we going to get with this. I need something to use to stir.
Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Ring my phone again. It's you. It's 3 a.m. I think you feel the same. You feel the same, babe. Something in my mind tell me that you are the perfect one. I can't get you out. I will never leave. It's like my love. Something in my mind tell me that you are the perfect one. I can't get you out. I will never leave. It's like my love. I don't want to look around, yeah. I will never let you down, yeah. Something in my mind tell me that you are the perfect one,
So I've applied, guys, the second coat. What I've noticed about this paint is that it doesn't want the direct sunlight because it ruins the paint as you are painting. Now I've washed these handles as you saw me. I'm just going to spray paint them, and then yeah, I'm also going to dry them in a not in a direct sunlight, in a cool dry area, and then they'll be dry, and then I'll apply second coats as well to the doors. Cheers, you guys, soon.
shake.
Charge, but I need to just touch. Because I need to ask for more. I need to ask that they didn't need to teach them to April, Martin is from April 21. So it's 21 November 2015. That's 1 month. Yeah. Because the black kite is in on grade 1 or grade 5.
Guys, what do you have there? What do you have?
Out you go.
Wow, what do you have? Wow, what is that? Wow, that is awesome. Are you happy? Do you have names for them, Dal? Do you have names for them?
Nope.
Nope.
It's your bomb.
Why not? They should have names. Guys, I decided to get something for the girls to just give them a treat because they haven't been out for quite some time, and it was not okay because on weekends they are used to going out to the park, and on the other side we are busy with these projects. So they just had to get these. Yes guys, I'll catch up with you a little bit later. I'm sorry guys that I didn't take you along with this one because it was raining. I was in and out of the house, but this is what we have done so far with the second coat. All we need to do is put back the handles, and then I think we're good to go. I'm so happy with the progress so far. Hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please do share if you have ever used this cabinet paint, this fired aid paint, how it has treated you, and so forth and so forth. I'm happy with the progress so far. We have made it very late. It's after 5. So this is putting these drawer hangers and a what else, and also drawer hangers and door hangers, right? So this is the progress. I'm happy. They were old. Some of the things there was just nothing I could do about it. You can see at the corner is not as perfect because so guys, we decided to paint our sitting room area because the kitchen was too dark. And if you do remember, the walls initially they were gray, but now we decided to change them because it was going to be too dark in the house. That's what Mtobisi is doing right now, applying the first coat at the moment. Hi guys, welcome back on day number 3 of this project. We are done. It's very late on Sunday. I just wanted to show you the final product of everything. I would start at the top there, and I have to do a final touches, maybe use a spirit to remove those things at the top there in the ceiling board because they're not looking very nice, but I'm very happy with the results. The hangings are looking so good. Mtobisi chose that blinder yeah, and then I just got overexcited and spray painted the tab, and then I think the stuff is also blending very well with the tab and the door handles of the cabinet. And then I'm not sure now about this carpet that I showed you guys because it's gray. Everything is just like looking gray right now. so maybe I'll remove it and use it in one of the bedrooms. I'm still not sure about that. And then on this side, I'm sure you remember this utensils holder. It was similar to the three that you see here, but I spray painted it black. Yes guys, I think it looks good as well because it complements all these hangers. I think it's looking so good. And then my Bennett red kettle also, it has that gray part of the cabinet. Look at the time guys, you can see it's very late and tomorrow I'm going to work. And on top here, these are the cabinets. As you can see, I still need to wipe those off with the spirit. I did not have it and I was struggling to remove most of those stains that you see there. But other than that guys, I think everything came out very well. They are so clean. I love them. I did this because I spent most of the time in this kitchen and also my washing machine then. Now that everything was almost gray, we chose to change that color. I'll insert a picture somewhere of the Dulux color the report. If you remember in our sitting room, if you've watched my cleaning video, you would notice that this sitting room was in gray. The walls were gray, so we've changed them now because everything was just so dark. With the cabinets being gray, now the sitting was gray as well. I'm thinking of spray painting that art wall, that picture of us, the frame. I'm thinking of spray painting it black because I still have that spray that is left. With that basket, I'm sure you guys remember it. It has our chargers, the remote, the keys, because we want to find them easily. Yes guys, this is how everything is looking like right now. This room is so bright. I am loving it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. If you have made it this far, don't forget to comment, subscribe. Maybe if you do want to make any suggestion, you might as well just tell me what would you have done to make it look more. You can comment guys and tell me if you like this, if painting cabinet is something that you're considering in terms of doing something on a budget instead of doing the cabinets all over again. I'm sorry guys, I am so tired. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, help me grow this channel, Mama and Her Home. Like, comment. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate your support. Yo guys, thank you so much. I will see you on my next upload. Yes guys, bye.